Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell. I'm a best-selling author and co-founder of the company Mind Movies. Today I want to talk to you about Bobby Vogel. I was first introduced to Bobby as a guest on my podcast. Now, Bobby is a medical intuitive, she's a clairvoyant, and I have to tell you that she's the real deal. Not only was the interview that we recorded together exceptionally insightful, but I personally had an energy healing with Bobby after I had a partial knee replacement on my left knee. I had been several weeks since my surgery, and I had to jump on a plane and go down to Costa Rica. I was really concerned about the level of pain that I was having at the time. Now, I was doing everything Western medicine had told me to do, but when it comes to our bodies, we can have these physical ailments and things, but sometimes we don't realize that it's some kind of energy imbalance that's really helping to perpetuate the pain. And so after one session with Bobby, I had a massive change in my pain levels and my mobility. And after my second session with her, I was actually able to get on a plane with confidence, go down to Costa Rica. I was down there for 2 weeks. And by the time I come back, I was without pain. And we were talking about nerve pain that was unexpected after my surgery. Now, one of the unexpected things that happened in my session with Bobby was that my grandmother came through. The grandmother that I don't ever remember meeting, who was actually, we've found out since, being able to communicate with her, is part of my spiritual team and has been since she passed when I was 21 years old. So having that healing, that family healing, as well as the physical healing, was just outstanding. If you get the opportunity to work with Bobby, I highly recommend that you take it with both hands. She really is the real deal. She is kind, she's compassionate, and she's very, very good at what she does. So make sure that you take that opportunity if you can. Thanks.